So today we're going to talk about task emails. So here on my definition, I have a single task and I can give the task a name, something like approve purchase order. And we'll go to the next tab and we'll say we want this to be routed to the mobile user, in this case, the one I'm logged in as. And here with these options, you can also see we have various different options, but this video will focus on the email piece of it. You can send a task email notification. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And in this case, I can also provide a from email address, or it will use the configured from email address. In this case, I can also give this email subject. So I'm going to go ahead and say test email subject. And I can also give a body. And in this body, I can say, please approve this task for purchase order. And we have a couple of different links that we can put. If you click on this button, we can put a link to this the task that this task step will create. So you can actually go directly to that task. But you can also render the approve and the reject buttons. So I can say show the approve button here, and then next to it show the reject button. And when you get the email, you see the buttons right here, and you can just click on the button and approve the task. So let me go ahead and save that. You can also do some attachments, CC. I'm going to give some labels for the approval and reject buttons. So I'm going to call it approve PO and reject PO, and save that. And let's go ahead and save this definition, and we're going to create an instance and run that. So we just created an instance, and if you go into the run instances menu, you'll be able to see that we have an instance and it's sleeping because it's waiting on this particular task. So let's go ahead and check on our emails to see whether we have an email message. So the email from the task looks like this, with the two buttons, approve PO and reject PO. I can actually click on this button and it will automatically close that particular task for me. So if I go and look at the render instance, you'll see it updated and the task is completed and the workflow is also completed. So this is a way for you to send email notifications through a task, and even include the buttons within the body of the task email, and click on any of those buttons to complete the task.